Bunubu and the Glowworm Train, a tiny midnight mushroom adventure. Bunubu was packing crumbs for tomorrow. Then an acorn on his shelf began to hum. It hummed like a tiny train whistle under a blanket. Bunubu followed the humming under his rug. A little root door opened in the floor. Behind it, golden dust twinkled down a stair. At the bottom was a station no bigger than a soup bowl. A glowworm conductor tipped his acorn cap. All aboard for the midnight mushroom stop. The train clicked into the tunnel. The glowworms shone bright, then blinked dim. Then, poof, the lights went out like sleepy stars. "Our lights are too tired," said the conductor. "They need giggles to glow." Bunubu opened his knapsack and thought very hard. Bunubu tried a crumb puppet show. The crumbs fell over immediately. One crumb rolled into his hat, and the glowworms glowed a tiny bit brighter. The train rolled forward again. Then a root tickled Bunubu's nose. Achoo! His little sneeze bounced through the tunnel like a bell. The glowworms giggled. Their bellies lit up one by one. Soon the whole tunnel twinkled like warm pudding stars. They reached the midnight mushroom stop just in time. The mushrooms opened their sleepy caps. Inside each cap was a drop of moonberry jam. The conductor gave Bunubu one tiny glow lantern seed. "Only use it for brave giggles," he said. Bunubu tucked it safely in his knapsack. Back home, Bunubu placed the seed by his acorn lamp. It blinked once. He giggled once. And his burrow filled with the softest little stars.